Hi everyone, my name is Mohit Jotwani and I'm an architect. First of all, I'm really pleased and excited to be an awardee of the Design Icon Awards 2020. On the behalf of the entire team of 11 Design Studio, I thank the management and the jury for giving us this opportunity. We are an architectural interior design firm based out of New Delhi. It's a sister company to an old firm, Classic Deco, which was founded by my father, Mr. Manoj Kumar, in 1982. We at 11 Design Studio started our journey on the 27th of April 2017. Since then, we have completed about 15 residential and commercial projects. We take up high-end turnkey projects. That is, we offer a complete solution, end-to-end solution to all the projects, starting from design, concept developments, working drawings, execution, and till the final handover to the client. We have a large set of infrastructure. We have our own workshops. We have our own showrooms, and we make our own furnitures as well. And for this we have support from a lot of designers, architects, engineers, and we have a lot of in-house team as well for having this thing. I've myself done my masters in architecture from Bartlett School of Architecture, University College London, and I specialize in parametric architecture. For all those who are not aware with the term parametric architecture, it's a new kind of design language which uses more of technology and then combines it with the art and getting all these organic shapes and everything. Before that, I worked with a couple of renowned architects in Delhi, and simultaneously I used to take up personal consultancy projects. And in fact, I have been working since the second year of my college, my bachelor's, which I did from Sushant School of Architecture in Gurgaon. And all this has really made me understand that the professional world is very different from what we have been taught at the university, and it requires a completely more different and advanced level of skill set. So why I took up architecture? Because see, architecture has always been a part of my life. Since I told you my father has been in the same industry, I used to spend a lot of time going with him, seeing him talk on phones and at sites, explaining the work to laborers and everyone, to contractors. And somehow or the other, this has been what I have been grown up in. And I remember my mother used to bring me those Legos, the toys, the brick toys, and I used to make some kind of a structure or something, which made my parents realize that I'm quite creative and I might take up architecture in the future. My idol has always been my father. Seeing him work in the same industry for so many years has made me realize that failure and success is a part of the journey, and we have to cherish both of them equally. He taught me that we will find work satisfaction whenever we are able to push the envelope and create something new that we haven't done in the past. He still urges me to try and make a marquee wherever possible and contribute to the profession at a large scale. Moreover, he has made me realize that there is no secret formula to success, nor a right time or a path to shift gears. Thus, I have to focus on my skills, learn as much as I can, and build expertise before trying to change the world in the one go. Thus, we have to respect our own time zones and taste our own sets of failures and success. It's how we perform and react to both the situations that will define what we become at the end of the day, and how we are able to contribute to the architecture profession. Be it working in some organization or running my own practice, architecture is about teamwork and will always succeed in our collaborations. It has been a journey of ups and downs, but then we are fully satisfied and looking forward to new challenges. Thank you all.